हेलो व्हाट्सअप एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू द व्लॉग। गाइज, आज मेरे दिन की शुरुआत इतनी अच्छी नहीं कि जितनी यूजुअली जाती है। आज यार मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठ गया था और मेरी नाक बह रही थी। ठीक है, आई हैड अ बैड कोल्ड एंड देन 1.5 आवर्स आई स्पेंड जस्ट ब्लोइंग माई नोज़। उसके बाद फिर से मैं एक 6 साढ़े 6 बजे सोया एंड आई वोक अप एट 11। सो पूरी रूटीन की, समझ रहे हो ना, पूरा रूटीन ख़राब हो गया। एंड आज थोड़ा जिम लेट जा रहा हूँ। आई स्टिल मैनेज टू ईट 2 मील्स बिफोर गोइंग टू द जिम। लेट्स होप कि परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ना हो। सो लेट्स टेक आवर प्री वर्कआउट रिचुअल, 1 टेबलस्पून हनी एंड देन हेड टू द जिम। ऑल्सो ये हनी ख़त्म हो रहा है, वी शुड ओपन अनदर बॉटल। लुक एट दैट, कैन यू गाइस सी दैट? रियल हनी ऐसे जम जाता है बॉटल पे। सो थोड़ा सा ही बचा है गाइज, सीधा बॉटल से पी लेते हैं। कोई नहीं देख रहा झूठा हो रहा है कि नहीं, मेरी ही बॉटल है। आजा आजा आजा, किस मी। कटरीना कैफ फॉर स्लाइस, ओके मोमोज फॉर हनी। ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गो। आज अपर बॉडी ट्रेन करेंगे। विल स्टार्ट विद बाइसेप्स, मूव ऑन टू सम चेस्ट and small change. We will also do one exercise for upper back today. So that's what's lined up for you. Let's go. I don't know if you guys have realized this, but मेरे वर्कआउट प्रोग्राम में अभी शोल्डर्स के लिए एक भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं है। लाइक नॉट इवन लैटरल रेजेस। मैं कोई प्रेसिंग नहीं कर रहा, मैं कोई लैटरल रेज नहीं कर रहा। देयर इज जीरो डायरेक्ट शोल्डर एक्सरसाइज राइट नाउ बिकॉज लाइक आई मेंशन ना, बोथ माई शोल्डर्स आर फक्ड। क्रिकेट खेलने की वजह से आई हैव रूइंड माई शोल्डर्स, बट नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज शोल्डर्स नहीं कर रहा हूँ। आई एम एबल टू बायस माई आर्म्स अ लिटिल मोर. I think realistically in the next 2.5-3 months I should be reintroducing some shoulder exercises. Guys, मेरे जिम में कुछ वेल्डिंग का काम चल रहा है and there is smoke everywhere. I don't know if you can tell, but I can smell that smoke and I shouldn't be working out in this environment. Yeah, that is not good for me because I'm not going to be breathing in this air. I'm leaving, guys. I'm not working out today. Guys, I am not working out in that welding ka smoke. It's not good for you, okay? Trust me, it's best that you skip the workout or find another place to work out. If I go work out in that air, if I heavily breathe in that welding ka smoke, cancer. So guys, I had to come to this far away gym. ये भी मेरे gym owner का ही है. The one I go to is called as Elementi Fitness and this is called as Elementi Performance. So I've come here. It took me a while to get here because यहाँ पे one way कर रखा है. This is the first time I've come here. Let's see if it's any good. I hope they allow you to make videos because I'm carrying a tripod and a camera. अगर allow नहीं करते then we are fucked. So we made it to this gym. ये भी एक cult fit gym ही है. I suppose we will be able to finish our workout today. We need to do a light upper body session. फटाफट करके we shall go play cricket. Alright guys, so I've found this cozy corner for myself. We shall start with some alternating dumbbell curls. First हल्के वेट से वार्म अप करेंगे. Not bad, my shoulders feeling better than last week. Alright, so this is my first working set, 17.5 kgs in each hand. Let's get 10 reps clean. Uh, 20, 21, 22. Ooh. Good set. Okay, now let's start with the second working set. I'm going with 17.5 kg dumbbells again. I'm going to try to get the same number of reps, which is about 10 to 12 in each hand. Also, this lighting kind of slaps, right? Okay, बाद में pose करेंगे. Let's go. Great fucking set, man. I really like these dumbbells. Ah. So moving on, we now have Bayesian cable curl. Unfortunately, इनकी जो cable machine है थोड़ी wide है. In the sense, it's good for chest press and stuff like that, but biceps मारने के लिए the arm path is a little wide. You know, I would like it to be a little closer to my body, but we can't change that because there is a fixed arm path. So थोड़ा compensate करने के लिए मैंने cables नीचे डाले हैं. But whatever it is, we got to work with what we have here. I'm gonna do. I don't even know what's a good weight here. Is 35 good? Yeah, 35 is hard. How about 30? Let's try 30. Let's go. Also, I'm not going to step too far forward because अगर मैं बहुत आगे आऊँगा तो again my front delt will be involved a little too much. So yeah, this is good. Okay, a lot of front delt being involved in this because of the arm path, but what do? We need to get the work done. So guys, this wide arm path was bothering me, so I started wondering ki how do I get the same feel as the machine at my gym? So I realized I can't if I'm doing both hands together. The solution is to do unilateral and not just do it like this. Rather, grab onto something so that you have some extra stability. So this is how I'm going to perform this. Last set, दोनों हाथ के साथ I got 7 reps. Let's see if I can match that unilaterally. Seven. 8. Come on, one more. 9. Did you see that? This is where you use your brain, guys. I got 9 reps unilaterally. Plus, unilateral movements में motor unit recruitment ज़्यादा होता है. थोड़ा science है. I can go into the details, but it's not like you guys watch me for the science, है ना? इस channel पे किसी को science नहीं सुनना, सबको बकचोदी देखनी है. I know that, but I just thought I'd share कि how I would counter a situation where you know a machine is not feeling very good. So guys, bicep हो गया है. अभी chest का warm up करते हैं. I'm going to be doing 2 to 3 sets of pressing and 2 sets of pec flies. So let's go. Okay, so this is my first working set, 35 kg dumbbells. Flat press करेंगे. Let's go for as many reps as we possibly can. Come on, one more. Let's go. Whew. Right now moving on to pec fly. मैंने प्रेसिंग के 2 ही सेट किए, 35 kg का भी दूसरा सेट किया. I got 7 clean reps. So both the sets were hard, so I didn't want to do a third set. Now pec fly का 1 या 2 सेट लगाएंगे, and then we will wrap up this workout with some upper back rows. Okay, this is too light. ओके, मैंने 75 लगाया है. Previously I did 60 which felt way too light. This is also too light. We will need 80 kgs on this machine, guys. क्या है इसका केबल सिस्टम? It's feeling damn easy. For the last exercise of the day, we're going to be doing this chest supported upper back row. I'm so happy that these guys have this machine because मेरे gym में ये machine नहीं है, the one that I go to. So let's use this. In fact, I'm thinking कि आज के workout के लिए I should just start coming to this gym. Alright, so let's see how this machine feels. I'm sure कि dumbbell से तो better ही होगा. Okay. Not bad. I think we should load it. I have put only 40 kgs on this. I have decided I'm going to start coming here because I want to do this exercise in particular. हो गया भाई आज का. एक फाइनल बैक पोज दे देता हूँ.